Also, this is my forecast for Tuesday, and let's start. First, I'm going to go over the Aussie. So let's see what has happened in the price action. We had this impulse push to downside, then we had this ascending into a descending into another ascending structure. Then we broke the low, clean close, got a really nice push to the upside, so a continuation. Clean close also, just a really small wick. So I was looking for a bullet reversal here at this level because we had this ascending structure and because we had this really clean push to the downside. So the fact is that we are currently in a range, in a flat range, but this fits my plan, and I don't care that we are currently in a range. So I was willing to enter a trade as long as we didn't get the V reversal. So we actually didn't get a V reversal. We got a combo entry. So we got a push to the upside, a pause, then another push. So I set my pending order, but then I had to wait for spread hours to finish. And after the spread hours had finished, I placed a market order because we were above my entry point. So I placed a short order right here on this candle. And then I got stopped out, so just by a few pips, but that's okay. Then the market shot down, broke the low, and we got this huge wick. So this actually is a great trade for me. It does fit my plan, and I really like that we got this ascending clean impulse and a nice combo to the entry point. So the probabilities played out, and I got stopped out, but that's just the game. And currently, what I can forecast is that we will continue to be ranging here. So in this flat range, let me just delete this. In this flat range, what I would like to see is a clean ascending that moves away from the range. Impulse push, look for a trade. Also a descending from here. Impulse push, look for a trade. I would also like to see a push to the upside, look for a bump. Same thing to the downside, so a nice impulse. Look for a bump trade, or maybe an impulse pullback continuation, then look for a trade. This will actually be then trending price action for me because we had this push, another push, and then also another push, so a good trend. Or same thing to the upside, so an impulse push, pullback, another continuation impulse, then look for a trade. But yeah, that is the move that I can forecast, but we need to see what happens. So I'm looking for more momentum, more impulses to get away from this structure, because currently we do have this ascending, but we need to look from where it came from. So we broke the low, retraced, broke the high, retraced, broke the low, retraced with a huge wick, signaling to me a large range. So I'm not going to be taking a bullet reversal right here. Then for the euro looks really, really good. So what we had this descending structure into an ascending structure, then impulse push to the upside. Then we got this large wick. So we will see what happens, but what I would like to see, something like this, a little bit of a range, then break of the low, and then enter a trade. Or maybe we will get this descending to downside to the bullet entry. That is also what I would like to see. Or maybe we will just continue. Then I will look for a continuation bullet and then enter a trade. Maybe we will get this V reversal. Then I would stay out. What can also happen is that we just continue ranging between the high and the low. I would stay out of that sort of price action. Or maybe we will get this ascending structure, impulse to the downside, look for a trade. So we need to see what happens, but currently the euro looks much better than the Aussie. I really like this impulse. I want to see a range because of this wick, and then I will look for a trade. So that's it for the forecast, and I will see you in the next one.